Alright guys, I'm run by Raz. Thanks for getting in. 7:54. We're going to go live. We are live. 7:54. 7:54. Grab a list. 10 spots. Drop it into random. 10 entries. Alan on the top, Gil on the bottom. Alright guys, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 9 times is good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats, Alan Holt. Spot number 1. You are the winner. Get in touch with me and I will get those to you. We are done. 7:55. We will type done. We are done. 7:55. 7:55. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.